Hey guys, I'm back with a new tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to get Telegram profile link. So in order to copy your Telegram profile link, first of all check your internet connection, update your Telegram application and log in into your Telegram account. Once you're logged into your Telegram account, it's going to take you or direct you to the home page. While you're on this page, go ahead and tap on the try bar icon from the top left hand side corner. As soon as you click on the try bar icon, you'll be able to see a menu page. Right on this page, scroll down right to the bottom, and on the second last option you can see invite friends. Tap on it, and after that you need to click on share Telegram. As soon as you click on share Telegram, on the lower half of your screen you'll be able to see share button or the options. If you want to copy the link, you need to click on copy, and or else if you want to directly send it to a contact who's actually on some other social media platforms such as WhatsApp, maybe Viber, maybe Facebook or whatever, you'll need to click on the icon, and after that you'll need to select the particular contact. For example, let's go with this one, and after that go ahead and tap on the arrow icon, and here you go, that the link has been shared. Now that you've shared the link, the other way to share the contact is by QR code. So while you're on this page, go to your try bar icon, go to your profile right on top, or the profile, and you can see there's a QR code. Just tap on the QR code and you'll be able to see that QR code. You can directly save the QR code and send it to your friend or family member, whoever, or you can just tap on share QR code and do the same procedure as I already showed it before. Just select the platform and select the contact that where you actually want to share. So in this way you can share your Telegram profile link. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.